I'm Joanne, that's Adam behind the camera, and we are the couple from InspiredTaste.net. Today we are making homemade chicken stock, which if you haven't made before is actually really easy and it tastes way better than anything you can buy at the store. We're using chicken wings in our recipe today, but you can use any sort of chicken part. So even leftover chicken bones from last night's roast would work perfectly in this recipe. Let's go make it. Let's get some aromatics prepped first. We have 1 pound of onion, a half pound of carrots, a half pound of celery, and 6 garlic cloves. At the stove, place your chicken pieces or bones, onions, carrots, celery, garlic, 2 bay leaves, some fresh herbs like thyme and parsley, whole peppercorns, and 2 teaspoons of salt in a large stock pot. Add 12 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Reduce the heat to low and cook at a gentle simmer uncovered for 4 hours. As the stock cooks, it is normal for some foam to appear at the top. For the clearest broth, use a spoon to remove it. When the stock is finished, we need to strain it. I remove most of the larger bits first and then pour everything into a fine mesh strainer. Refrigerate the broth for up to 5 days or freeze for up to 3 months. And that's it. Delicious homemade chicken stock. You will be amazed at how incredible this tastes. Use it in your favorite recipes and see how delicious they turn out. As always, the full recipe with all of our tips is on Inspired Taste. Enjoy and see you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.